Housemates, your task is to strut your way to the end of the runway. However, there is only one correct path to the end. First up, it's Olivia.
I knew it.
Next one.
Careful, right now.
Fashionistas are reminded they must not move diagonally.
Yeah, I get the point.
Why is it slimy? Oh, it's in my head. Right, my two front wheels are in this one.
Yay!
Right, I'm going to go forward.
Strike a pose.
No more now! No more now! No more now!
Next up, Gnocchi.
I'm choosing this one, so I'm not in front of that.
Next up, it's Hallie.
You better go green right now.
Get going then. No, you...
Next up, Chanel.